this is Great Are You Lord, but the version by One Sonic Society. Super easy, super simple. It's the same thing for the whole song. You're using the B string, pointers on the 7th fret, middle fingers on the 8th fret, and pinkies on the 10th fret. So the root note, key of G, so B8, that's a G. E3 is a G, B8, B8 is a G, G12 is a G, D5 is a G, A10 is a G, and E3 is a G. So just, that's a good tip too, is to learn all the where the G's are for each string. So B8, so I'll do it slower and then I'll do it full speed. So you start B8, pinky off. So that's the whole thing. You just keep repeating that over and over and over again. So one more time, slow. You're just using alternating picking up, down on the B string. That's the whole song. You just keep repeating that. So full speed. You just keep doing it over and over, and that's the whole song. Great Are You, Lord, the One Sonic Society.